Let's face it, real estate agents are a dime a dozen, but becoming a top agent is something else altogether. That requires a specific type of person. So today, I want to talk to you about some of those traits of the best real estate agents and how you can use them to be great in real estate. Hey everyone, it's Matthew Bizzaro with Be Great in Real Estate, and if you're wondering whether you have what it takes to make it in this competitive world of real estate, ask yourself, how many of the following traits do you have and which ones do you need to develop? First off, successful agents are competitive. Take it from me, we're always looking for ways to get ahead and win the listing or the sale. This winning mentality is what keeps us going. Even when things aren't going our way, we don't give up and just keep pushing. Second, successful agents have a growth mindset. They believe they can continually improve and get better at their craft. They're constantly learning new things and expanding their skill set because they know this is what it takes to be the best. Third, successful agents are experts in their market. They know the latest information and can help clients make the best decisions for their real estate journey. This means they're constantly reading market reports, keeping up with current trends, and analyzing data. Fourth, successful agents are expert marketers. They know how to market themselves and their properties in the best light possible. They're always looking for new and innovative ways to reach their target audience and ensure the right people see their listings and sales. They break the mold and try things other agents haven't. And finally, successful agents have a coach. The best way to become the best is to learn from the best. And a coach can help agents learn from their mistakes, stay accountable, and push them to be their best. Coaches can also provide an objective perspective and help agents see things they might be missing. If you even have a few of these traits, you are on your way to becoming a successful real estate agent. If not, don't worry. These are things you can learn with time, practice, and effort. You can always watch my video on the 5 skills you need to be a successful realtor. So don't give up. Keep learning and always strive to be the best. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped you with your real estate career. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.